Hello! Ang chika sa inyong lahat mga ka-Itechiwa. So today, another content na naman ang ating ginawa. Okay, this time, it's a buy now, pay later. So it's another buy now, pay later called MOCASA PH. Nakakaloka, diba? Naglipanan na talaga ang mga buy now, pay later which are very helpful naman talaga sa ating mga kababayan. Sa mga walang credit card, hindi mo na kailanganin ng credit card para makapag-purchase anywhere offline or online, diba? Basta may buy now, pay later ka at may credit line kang assigned, magagamit mo na. Makakapag-installment ka na, ika nga, hindi ba? So, well, alamin natin kung ano ang MOCASA na ite. Sino ba siya? So, sabi dito, MOCASA, buy now, pay later is an alternative payment method of credit cards. Okay, it's offering customers an option to pay now with credit and pay later with cash. Every payment you made using MOCASA credit is interest-free. Okay, narinig niyo yun? Interest-free. So, wala siyang interest, mga inday. During the billing circle, MOCASA is committed to offering a more flexible and accessible payment everywhere, anytime. By using our mobile app, you're free to shop online or in-store with thousands of our partner retailers and pay for what you desired via our app at ease. O, diba? Napakadali lang. So, parang sa ibang buy now, pay later lang ite, like a Tomy, okay? Like, home credit QR like G Gibbs, mga ganun, or G Credit, mga ganun, diba? So, ang features niya, flexible payments everywhere. We partner with retailers all over the world to make it easy for you to shop as you want just in the app of MOCASA. Full control and transparency. You can always complete your purchase directly with full transparency while checking out. You get a full overview of your payments in our app. O, diba? And no interest ever. Sabi niya ganun. We earn a commission from businesses and shoppers. Don't pay interest and no fees when you pay on time. Alright, so napakalaking tulong talaga, diba? Sa lahat ng mga talaga naman mahilig sa mga installment and mas maganda na siya compared sa credit card. Diba? So, ang credit card, alam niyo naman may interest niyan every month. Ang MOCASA buy now, pay later, wala siyang interest. O, diba? Bonggarya. Diba? Check natin. Okay, so nag-sign up ako. So, ang ginawa ko lang, nag-download lang ako via Play Store. Pwede rin siya sa App Store. And, syempre, kailangan mong i-grant yung permissions na hinihingi nila. Like location, gallery, storage, and camera, mga ganun. You better check your credit down. Kasi don't worry guys, chinek ko na siya sa SEC. And registered siya as nasa listahan siya ng list of recorded online platform or online lending platform. It's under Philippine Cash Drought Lending Corporation. And I also check sa CIC. Okay, so accredited accessing entity din siya, yung mga inday. So under Philippine Cash Drought Lending Corporation. Yun yung pinaka-legal business name ni MOCASA PH. So you can check SEC website and of course CIC. Okay, CIC website. So, punta lang kayo sa list of submitting entities. Andun siya. Listed siya as accredited submitting entity. Okay, so ibig sabihin, they will report your payment history sa CIC para sa collation ng inyong credit data or credit report. O, diba? Bonggarya. So, ibig sabihin, legal siya. At legit si MOCASA PH. O, bonggarya, diba? So, ngayon, dinownload ko na siya and of course, kinaray-karay na naman ang ating alindog, ka. And nag-sign up na tayo agad. Kasi nung una, ang ginawa ko, hindi ko grinant yung permissions ng app na hinihingi niya. Kasi nga, di ba, para daw ma-check, ma-serve us better kung naka-allow yung permissions na hinihingi nila. So, I think hindi naman siya harmful gaya ng mga illegal na ola-ola na yan. So, makakasiguro naman tayo na legit ite. Kasi yung una, ginamit ko yung aking iPhone. So, hindi ko grinant yung permission na hinihingi nila, na deny agad, okay? And then, dinownload ko naman siya ngayon sa aking tablet na Android. Ngayon, grinant ko yung permission na hinihingi nila. Okay. And now, dun sa dashboard, talaga naman nabigla, okay? Meron na akong pre-approved na 15,000 pesos credit line o bonggarya. So, ano ba ite? So, i-check natin, ha? Okay, as you can see, you are pre-approved. Claim your 15,000 credit, sabi niya. So, i-claim natin. Claim now. Okay, so andyan siya. Oh my gosh. Unlock your credits. Sabi niya, 15,000, may 9,000 din, may 6,000, may 3,000. O, bonggarya. O, diba yun? Refundable guarantee fee, 14,700. Annual fee, first year is free daw. Okay? So, first year free annual fee, pero after a year, magkaka-annual fee na siya. Nakalagay dito 1.5 diba? GCash, pwede mo siyang i-ano daw. Ano to? Pwedeng i-withdraw via GCash. Pwede din sa Paymaya. Pwede din sa 7-Eleven. So, syempre, GCash na ako para mas madali. Processing fee. Ng GCash, meron din. Payment processing fee, 0%. So, it's 0% online. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, free ang processing fee nila via GCash o bonggarya. So, paano ite? Check natin. Kasi first time ko din talaga. Bonggarya, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, ano din sila, partner din sila sa major credit bureaus o bonggarya. Nasa CIBI sila, TransUnion, Compasscan, CRIF, CBS, John and Bradstreet pa daw o bonggar. Diba? So, talagang legit ite. So, isinasubmit talaga nila, ire-report talaga nila yung payment history mo. Mapa-negative payment pa yan or positive payment. So, talaga naman, huwag kayong malilate. Huwag kayong malilate. Kasi sasubmit talaga nila sa mga major credit bureaus. Pay 14,700. Sabi niya, ano ba to? Ano bang ibig sabihin nito? A constructive account helps you build or rebuild your credit with every responsible use. Revolutionize your financial future with MOCASA's constructive account. Pay the guarantee fee and get credits immediately. So, kailangan pang bayaran yung guarantee fee bago i-assign sa yung credit limit. So, yung guarantee fee pala is 14,700. So, yun pala yung babayaran ko. Ano ba yan para magkaroon ako ng credit limit? Well, anyways, check natin. Pay a small guarantee fee and start growing your credit with responsible use. Your credit line will be initiated immediately after you paid a full guarantee. Pay guarantee fee more, raise your credit line. You can raise your initial credit line by paying guarantee fee more than the minimum amount. Use responsibly, get your guarantee fee back. By building a good credit record like making payments on time, you can earn back your guarantee fee while continue to increase your credit line. So, ibig sabihin, bago tayo ma-assignan, nasa control natin yung paglago or pag-increase ng ating credit limit by their constructive account na tinatawag. So, kailangan pala magbayad muna tayo ng guarantee fee bago tayo ma-assignan. Nakakaloka naman. Akala ko may credit line na talaga siya. So, i-check na natin paano ba ito. So, pwede mo pala siyang i-edit dito. Okay. Pwede mo siyang i-edit kung magkano yung gusto mo. Kunwari, 1,000. 1,000. Check natin. Okay. So, ang guarantee fee niya is 980 pesos. Pag 1,000 lang yung gusto mong credit limit. Okay. 980 pesos. You can pay it via GCash or nakalagay dito. So, kapag ano naman, pag gusto mo 100, hindi pwede. Okay, let's try 500 credit line. Hindi. Ang minimum nila, 1,000 talaga ayaw. So, 1,000, mga ganun. So, let's say 5,000 ang gusto mong credit line. Okay. So, you can pay the guarantee fee of 4,900. So, ganun pala siya nag-work. Yung constructive account. Bakit constructive account is the best option daw? Because in this way, you can start building your credit in credit bureaus daw. kapag lagapak yung credit score mo sa credit report mo, di ba? So this will be the best option for you to grow or improve your credit standing para naman, di ba, tumaas yung credit score mo as long as you are paying on time at hindi ka na-late. In this way, you use your credit line responsibly. And you can earn back your guarantee fee and upgrade to a standard account. Ganun siya. Automatic credit increase if you are paying your dues on time. And it's free refundable fee. Okay? And then 20-day interest free. Buy now, pay 20 days later. Sabi niyang ganun. Actually, maganda na rin siya para sa akin sa mga purita ang kanilang mga credit score dyan. Kagaya na ite, di ba? So, it's the best option for you guys to improve your credit score or credit standing para naman tumas-tumas ang inyong alindog. Nakakaloka, di ba? So, ganun pala siya. Meron din palang MOCASA card. So, it's a Visa MOCASA card. So, ang benefit niya is you can share current MOCASA credit line daw. No monthly fees, never expire. Use as a virtual card. Use wherever Visa or MasterCard is accepted. Pero ito, Visa card siya. So, it's a virtual card. So, you can use it online lang. So, I thought it's a physical card. Alright, so ganun siya. So, ang kaganapan dito sa MOCASA. So, you can shop online daw o online shopping nandyan siya. Okay, kaso hindi ako ma-approve kasi kailangan ko ng constructive account muna daw. So, from the word itself, constructive. So, kailangan mong i-construct talaga yung credit line mo. Ikaw yung may control, no? Sa paglago niya, nakaka-lurkay. Okay, so you can also scan to pay o Gaya. If you want to use MOCASA as your payment method sa pag-grocery, I believe most of grocery stores and supermarkets naman na are may scan to pay na. So, andyan lang siya, napakadali. And then, you can pay your bills as well here. Okay, so andito lahat. Most of the billers are here for your electric bill. Andyan si Meralco. And utility bills as well, your water bills. Andyan siya. Ayan siya, ang dami. So, check nyo na lang yan sa app nila. And then, for your internet, o diba? Andito rin siya. Ay, bangga. Oh, most of the billers ng internet nandyan. And also, you can buy your food and drinks ite. So, mahilig ako sa milk tea. So, Gaya ite, MOCASA na ito. So, parang one-stop shop na siya, di ba? Andito na lahat. Para siyang, so, it's an online version of mall, di ba? Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa mall. Charot. So, ayun siya. And may beauty care din. Ay, bongga. May pa-ganyan. Andyan ang Watsons. Oh, check nyo na yan. So, pwede kayo mag-shop dyan. Automotive. Oh, you can scan to pay sa Petron for your gasolina. O, diba? Oh, gas station. Andyan. Gift card. May gift card din sila. And services. Ano tong services? Photography services, may ganon sila. May education, financial, home service, printing shops, key services, electronic, funeral, human resources, photo studios, laundry services. Oh, diba? Bunga. Bisaya ko, day. So, i-check mo lang yan dyan, oh. Oh, diba? Nearby laundry shop, nandyan siya, oh. Uy, ang galing. Pwede mong gamitin talaga tong app na ite for your laundry services. May funeral. Check natin funeral services. Andyan to. Ayan, ayoko na i-check yan. So, andyan na. Baka mamaya masilip tayo ng all. Padalhan tayo ng funerary. Charot lang. So, ganun pala siya nag-work. So, sa lahat ng nakatry na ng MOCASA, pa-comment naman ako and pa-share naman ang inyong experience sa MOCASA. Kasi ako, iniisip ko pa lang kung kailan ko siya sisimulan ang constructive account na yan. Pag-iisipan ko muna. And Sa lahat ng mga nakatry na, paano naman, pa-comment naman para magka-idea din tayo kung how it works talaga, kung maganda ba ang constructive account na sinasabi nila. So siguro yung standard account, yun yung talagang may assigned credit line ka na, hindi ba? Well, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching again, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share and comment sa ating channel na ite, ha? At kung hindi mo pa napapanood ang previous video, you can watch the video here sa baba na itetso. Maraming salamat. See you on our next video, mga kaite. Ay nako, nakakaloka yung constructive na yan, ha? Kala ko may credit limit na to.